All right, on the previous slide, we had this problem. 11 runners are raising money for a charity by running around a track. Here are the number of laps they were able to run. And we were given the number of laps in a random order. So what we did is we took those numbers and we put them in order from least to greatest. This was helpful in determining the answers to our questions. The first question that we answered asked us about the most common number of laps ran. And when we put those numbers in order, we could see that 15 was the number in our list that appeared most often, that occurred most often. So 15 occurred most often in our list, more than any other number. So we actually have a name for that number that occurs most often, and that would be the mode. You can actually have more than one mode, and you could also have a set of numbers in which there is no mode or none. B was the question asking us what the middle number of laps was, and 12 would be the answer to that. That middle number is called the median. So if we look at our list again, we marked off our high and low values back and forth until we reached that center number. And that would be our number that's in the middle. So this is called our median. Median is middle number. C, the average number of laps was 13. Now when we found the average, that's also called the mean. So here, this is where we added up all of our numbers in the list, and then we divided it by 11 numbers in the list, and that gave us a mean of 13, a mean or average. So another word for average is mean. Another word for mean is average. Okay, now here the mode, median, and mean are called measures of central tendency. The mode, median, and mean are called measures of central tendency. Last D was asking us about the range. The range in the laps was 18. The range is a measure of variation. So we have a lot of variation. We have a variety of numbers here. So to get the range, we took the largest number minus the smallest number, and that gives us the range of numbers in our list.